Hey guys, so today I'm going to be celebrating Willow's 3rd birthday, and it's been pretty busy here at the house. There's a lot of different things going on. I have a job now, and my mom's getting a surgery soon, just hip replacement. But yeah, so there's a lot of different things going on, so we didn't celebrate on the exact day, but I'm going to be making her a strawberry cheesecake. So first thing I need to make is the crust. So I only need 2 things to make the crust, and in here I have rolled oats that I put in the food processor, so it's really nice and thin, and I've used this other times as well with Willow's treats. And then unsweetened applesauce. So I'm going to put the applesauce first. I'm going to put all of it, and then I'm going to slowly add in the oats that I need, because of course I want to be able to create my crust and have it fit at the bottom of this pan that I'm using, this small one. So let me add a bunch right now. Just kind of mix it together. So with my crust, I ended up using the whole cup of oats that I had here. I'm going to start putting it in the pan and then pushing it down. Oh. So here is my crust all in the pan, and I thought it was going to be too much, but it ended up being pretty good. And so now I'm going to put this in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for around 15 minutes. Now I am ready to make the cream cheese filling, and so I'm not doing exact measurements, but for this I have about 3/4 of like the whole 8-ounce cream cheese. We'll just see how it goes, because I'm using this size of a pan, I wasn't too sure exactly how much is going to fit in there. And then I already have my little strawberries sliced up for when I am ready to assemble everything. And then I'm just going to use a little bit of heavy whipping cream to kind of help form it together so it's not just the cream cheese. But yeah, we'll see how that turns out. So I'm just going to do a few tablespoons of what I have left in here. Willow's ready to try her cheesecake. I think I'll do like 2 first. And then if I need more, I'll add more. Here is my filling. Looks pretty good. And before I start filling my pan, I'm going to take my little sliced up strawberries and I'm going to line them up on the side like this. And they're actually a pretty good height. So I just plopped the filling in the center, and I'm going to try and spread it out without messing up any of the strawberries. So this is what it looks like, all nicely laid out. Let's show Willow. Does it look good? Okay, so I know it doesn't fill kind of like all the way yet, but I mean, it is like a lot of cream cheese, and I think it'll be too much for Willow. But once it's all done being set in the fridge for, you know, probably a few hours, I'm going to put a whipped cream on top. So here's the cheesecake out of the pan, and I don't want to move it too much because you can see some of the strawberries are falling. But I have my whipped cream, and I'm going to put it on top, so hopefully the strawberries will stay a little bit. So now I'm gonna put the topper, and it came in this cute little set with all these decorations that I will show. Put that in there. And yeah, and it's a lot of whipped cream, but Willow loves whipped cream, so it'll be her favorite. Okay, it took forever. Willow doesn't want to stay up here, but I have her birthday cake. Look, Willow. You have to get up here. She's trying to hide under the table. Come on. Put this here. It's because she has her hat on and she doesn't like it. Here you go. Look at the little thing. There you go. She's getting glitter all over her face. Let's put this off to the side. Let's cut you a piece, okay? Look. Ready? Oh, there you go. Okay. Your cake. Good girl. You're not eating the whole thing. Oh. Okay, I'm just gonna go take it to. Okay. She's on the floor. At least she didn't jump on the couch. But yeah, the cake turned out, oh, that sounds like it's so gross. The cake turned out so cute, and I'm glad that she likes it. Oh, look, she has some strawberry whipped cream left. Oh, look, come back. Look, you got some stuff left. Up here. Come on. Willow. Wait. Okay, Willow, come on. Got some stuff left. There you go. Oh, she's gonna stab me. Oh, you don't want the strawberries? Oh, she doesn't want them. Okay, she got whipped cream everywhere. Okay, let's show you your presents. I only have a couple presents for her. First, we have the Bo Cheese Bakery, of course, little birthday cake treats. Those are so good. She loves those. Whoa! Okay, and I got her this one. I saw it on Amazon when I was getting the decorations, which are all back here, and it came with like all this stuff in this giant kit, which was pretty cute. But it's a birthday chuck-it ball because we always get this brand for her. Here. Oh, it's not an actual cake, Willow. It's a toy. There you go. There's whipped cream all over her chin. Okay, well, I'm glad she had a good birthday, even though it was a little late, technically, and she doesn't want to sit up here, but I'm sure if we were eating a Thanksgiving dinner, she would stay up there. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the content.